Alright guys, here we are. Yes, you're staring at some milk crates. Bearded Yak in here. And we got a bunch of milk crates. Now, tool haul, 3, 2, 1, go. Small tool haul from Tools and More down in Delaware. Southern Delaware. And this is what I picked up. That's it. It's a rubber magnetic tool holder. I've seen these around. I figured $4.99. Fuck it, I'll buy it. You know, it's cool though. You can make it deep, shallow, whatever you prefer. There's actually 3 items here. Pretty good deals. Second item, Motor City. As it says, built tough. Don't know that for sure. Handheld grease gun. Clearance sale. $7.97. Part number 6034. The box is empty. I got it over there on the toolbox already. But original price $14.99. And that's that. Last item, and I thought it was a pretty good pickup. Tecton torque bits, impact torque bits, right here for $7.97. Now that there is a good deal to me. Now I don't have none. That's why I grabbed them. You got a 1/4 inch drive and you got 3/8 drive. And the part number is 4912. And we're back. Technical difficulties. Well, anyway, like I was saying, I didn't have a set of these, so I decided to pick them up. You know what I mean? We got to put them to use on this here pressure washer, which that's going to be the next video released after this one comes in, after this one gets posted. I'll be working on the update part 2 of the repair going down on the pressure washer. So keep your eye out for that. Because what we're going to get is what the piece looks like that blew the fuck up. Bearded Yak in here. Like, comment, subscribe. And we are signing off.